Hello and welcome to Smart Chapter, your trusted source for health and wellness, especially for the golden years. If you're over 55 and finding yourself dealing with muscle cramps, stiffness, or waking up in the middle of the night with leg pain, you're not alone. Today, we're going deep, and I mean deep into one of the most frustrating issues seniors face, leg cramps. More importantly, we'll reveal the top 3 foods that can naturally reduce, even prevent, leg cramps while building muscle strength, improving circulation, and keeping your body moving freely. And trust me, by the end of this episode, you'll not only feel more in control of your body, you'll know exactly what to eat to support it, naturally and deliciously. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our weekly senior-friendly health tips. Ready? Let's dive in. Chapter 1. Understanding leg cramps in seniors 6 minutes. Before we get to the foods, let's understand what causes leg cramps in older adults. Leg cramps are sudden, involuntary contractions of the muscles, usually in the calf, foot, or thigh. They can last for seconds or even minutes and often strike at night, disturbing your sleep. What causes them? The electrolyte imbalance, low levels of potassium, magnesium, or calcium, dehydration, poor blood circulation, nerve compression or damage, medication side effects, especially diuretics, statins, and certain blood pressure drugs, muscle fatigue, or overuse. As we age, our body's ability to maintain fluid and electrolyte balance naturally declines. Combine that with reduced physical activity, chronic illness, and dietary gaps, and cramps become more common. But there's good news. You can make simple dietary changes to improve muscle function, reduce cramping, and stay mobile. Chapter 2 Superfood Number 1. EGGS. Let's start with a kitchen staple that's both affordable and packed with nutrients, eggs. You might be thinking, aren't eggs bad for cholesterol? We'll get to that. But first, here's why eggs are a muscle and nerve powerhouse. 1. High-quality protein. Each egg provides about 6 grams of complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and maintenance. Muscle fatigue is a leading cause of cramps. As we age, we lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. Without enough protein, the muscles don't recover well, increasing the risk of cramps. 2. Vitamin D from muscle function. Egg yolks are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, which plays a critical role in calcium absorption and muscle contraction. Seniors often have low vitamin D due to less sun exposure and dietary changes. And research shows that people with vitamin D deficiency experience more frequent and severe leg cramps. 1 egg has around 40 IU of vitamin D. While that's not enough alone, combining it with fortified milk or fatty fish can help you reach the recommended 800-1,000 IU per day. 3. Vitamin B12 for nerve support. Eggs are rich in B12, a vitamin essential for healthy nerve function. Low B12 levels can cause muscle cramps and spasms, burning or tingling sensations, fatigue, poor coordination. As we get older, our stomach acid production decreases, making it harder to absorb B12. Eating eggs regularly can help prevent deficiency, especially for seniors who don't eat red meat. How to eat eggs for best benefit. 6 to 7 eggs per week is considered safe for most older adults. Try boiled, poached, or scrambled with vegetables. Pair with leafy greens or fortified dairy to boost vitamin D. Note, if you have high cholesterol, consider egg whites or consult your doctor. Chapter 3 Superfood Number 2. Bananas 12 minutes. Next up, bananas, nature's potassium-packed muscle relaxer. 1. Rich in potassium. Each banana has about 420 milligrams of potassium. That's 12% of the recommended daily intake. Potassium is essential for muscle contractions, nerve communication, fluid balance. Low potassium, also known as hypokalemia, can lead to frequent cramps, spasms, and muscle weakness. 2. Source of magnesium. Each banana also contains about 32 milligrams of magnesium, which helps muscles relax and regulates nerve signals. Magnesium deficiency is common in seniors, especially those on medications like diuretics or who have diabetes. 3. Vitamin B6 for nerve health. Bananas contain 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B6, supporting nerve function, reducing inflammation, and promoting red blood cell production. Best times to eat bananas for cramp prevention, with breakfast for steady energy and electrolytes. 1 to 2 hours before bed to help prevent nighttime cramps. After light exercise or walking to support recovery. Tips: pair with water or coconut water for hydration. Diabetics should eat bananas in moderation and pair with high-fiber foods like oats or nuts. Chapter 4. Superfood number 3. Nuts and seeds 12 minutes. Finally, let's talk about nuts and seeds, tiny but mighty nutrition boosters. These are loaded with magnesium, potassium, healthy fats, and antioxidants, all critical for reducing cramps, improving circulation, and maintaining muscle health. Top cramp-fighting nuts and seeds: pumpkin seeds -168 milligrams magnesium per ounce, 40% of daily need. Almonds to 77 milligrams. Cashews to 74 milligrams. Pistachios, high in potassium. Walnuts and flax seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids to reduce inflammation. Why they work: replenish electrolytes lost through sweat or dehydration. Reduce chronic inflammation that worsens muscle pain. Support blood flow, helping oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles. How to eat them: 1 ounce a small handful daily. Sprinkle flax or chia seeds on oatmeal or yogurt. Add crushed nuts to salads or steamed veggies. Caution: choose unsalted, raw, or dry roasted. Avoid large amounts if you have kidney disease or nut allergies. Chapter 5. Hydration and bonus tips. No matter how perfect your diet is, without hydration, you're still at risk. Dehydration thickens the blood, reduces circulation, and throws off your electrolyte balance. This increases the chance of cramping. Tips to stay hydrated: drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Add electrolytes if needed: coconut water, lemon water, ORS. Avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol. Bonus tips for preventing leg cramps: gentle stretching before bed, warm baths with Epsom salt, compression socks for circulation, light walking or yoga. So there you have it, the top 3 foods every senior should be eating to reduce leg cramps and strengthen muscles: eggs for protein, vitamin D, and B12, bananas for potassium, magnesium, and nerve health, nuts and seeds for electrolyte balance, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory benefits. Along with plenty of water and regular movement, these foods can help you live more comfortably, sleep better, and move with ease. If this video helped you, please give us a like, share your thoughts or questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart Chapter for more content designed just for you. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.